Declan Poole ar arwydd, Cei Connah mor beryg o gicio gosodd, honna'n cael ei dal yn y gwynt. Hunt yn helpu'r bêl ymlaen a Craig Curran ar peniad. Ac oedd angen yr arbediad gan Ashley Morris i wthio honna heibio'r postyn. Pen-y-bont a Cei Connah yn mwynhau tymor rhagorol hyd yn hyn. Mae Lewis Halling, bêl dros ysgwydd a Snaith yn helpu ymlaen. Dyma Ben Arman. Oedd angen pas well at Lewis Clutton, a mae'r cyfle dal yno. Clutton ar y droed chwith yn bell heibio'r nod. Cyfle gorau'r gêm i Pen-y-bont. Danny Holmes yn anelu am y dynion mawr. Pened allan mae Callum Morris yno. Disney'n cyrraedd. A George Horan yn methu cadw'r bêl i lawr. Cyfle da i'r capten. Disney'n ei chymryd i'n sydyn. Danny Holmes yn esgidiau llachar oren. A mae'n bêl dda gan Holmes. Michael Wilde yn casglu'r brwsion. A George Horan syfynio'r cefn unwaith eto, ond yn taro'r rhwyd ochr tro yma. Johnny Hunt yn chwipio'r bêl dan drwy'n y golwr. Horan yn cyrraedd ac yn taro'r traws tro yma. O, mae'r gwynt di sboilio'r gêm yma, mae'r rhaid deud. Mae Pen-y-bont yn di sboilio rhediad gwych Cei Connah.
I'm happy, yeah. I thought we were worthy of a point. Obviously you don't draw with the champions and the leaders of the league and not have a few moments, heart in the mouth. There's a great save from Ashley Morris first half, and the one that hit the crossbar second half. But I thought the men of the match were our two central midfielders, Harlan and Miles Jones, and that tells a story.
Yeah, well, obviously we're coming to every game wanting to win it, and you know, disappointing we didn't win the game. But to be fair to Pen-y-bont, they're in a good, rich vein of form. It's a tough place to come. Obviously, the weather played a huge part in it. It was certainly a game of two halves, with the wind being so strong. You know, you couldn't get your own half the first half, and the second half you struggled to keep the ball in play. So it was a tough day. You know, like I said, Pen-y-bont in a good, rich vein of form. Positive is we kept a clean sheet, and you know, we created 3 or 4 chances in the second half, possibly to win the game. But you know, it's a tough place to come, and ideally we want to win the game, which we want to win every game. We're set up to win every game, but you know, the bonus is a clean sheet.
Well, we just want to make sure we achieve top 6, and that's looking positive at the moment. It's not done, but it's looking positive. We'll do that, and at the moment we're 5th, I think, and we're going to try and achieve 4th. Once we get to 4th, forget 5th, I want 3rd. So before today I wanted 3rd, and now I want 4th again. So let's just keep pushing forward, keep moving forward, keep progressing. That's all we can ask for.